Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video, we are going to see how we can create loan and repayment entries in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So from the business summary, I will go to the dashboard. Here I can see the cash balance and bank balance. Now let's search one customer F-9 from the search bar. So this is the customer Ganesh Jain. I will click to the loan. So the personal loan, for example, let's take a 10,000, 2% monthly interest with the first interest then principal. And let's take for 8 months. Now I will select the cash or bank. So through cash I want to disburse this loan. Now the installment start date I will give for, let's say, 1st of December, and the loan disbursement date both of 1st of December. And this fees and charges automation, I have added 100. So I want to delete this. So I can delete from here. And now just calculate and save this loan. So loan number 33 I have been saved. Now let's search the loan number 33 from the search bar. So here let's go to the installment tracker. So here you can see the each installment is coming with 200, and at the end the 10,000 is the principal. So from here let's take a 200, receive this amount from the 2nd of December and receive. Now I will go and check the installment tracker. So here you can see I have received 200 successfully. Now I will go and I want to receive, if the customer is paying 100 now, so for 3rd of December. So I will just receive from here. Now let's go and check the installment tracker. So here now you can see the partial amount is 100 due and received is 100 only. So customer is paying now 100 on 3rd of, or let's take a 4th of December and receive. Now just refresh this loan number 33 and I will go and check the installment tracker. So here you can see the 200 both installment received successfully. And if I go to the transaction, here we can see the 11,600 total is the amount, and received 200 on 2nd of December, 100 on 3rd of December, and 4th of December 100. And if I go and click the link, if I click this to December link, you can see this receipt has been come. So this receipt we can give to the customer. The total amount received 200 on the 2nd of December. So next due details also we can see from here. And if I click to the print, you can see the print. This print we can give to the customer. So this type we can do the repayment entries, and we can give the print all this transaction print to the customer, and this receive, adjust principal, receive and pre-close, waive off and pre-close, all these features we can use in this account. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.